Sure, I have all the ice creams in the world. Just go to Italy.
Excuse me?
Nah, just kidding. I'm in Australia. New South Wales.
New South Wales.
Yes, New South Wales.
I'm in Canada.
Canada. What
Oh,
the
that's
fuck?
so
I'm
Dora.
fighting somebody else and I'm getting lasered.
Oh, that's so Dora. That's what you say in Canada, right?